Hello explorers and welcome to another product unboxing. I am excited to show you this one because I'm about to use it on this trip. I usually don't show off this type of product because I'm a little bit modest that way, but I really wanted to because this is a brand that I found and I thought would be great for travel. I'm going to try to keep this video as short as possible, but I'm just going to kind of walk through it. The brand is Branwyn. And I've heard it being pronounced a few different ways, but I'm going to say Branwyn because that's the one I hear the most. And this is a brand that comes in, I really like this packaging, by the way. Kind of these bags, they are compostable, they are recyclable, and they're made out of wood pulp paper, which is really, really great. It's biodegradable. So I'm a very big fan of these bags. I actually use these bags for my small business as well. And they're great. They're really great. They're sustainable for sure. So this is performance innerwear. Okay, so this is what I call my travel underwear. I know it's kind of silly, but it's important to have good travel undergarments. And I usually wouldn't talk about undergarments, but I think this is a great company to talk about. So I'm going to kind of show it off a little bit. I just wanted to show off the size reference. So again, these are all medium sizes. I didn't want it to be too tight, and I want it to be a good fitting, underwear, and provide enough room and space to just stretch, especially because it's a travel day and you want to be comfortable. You don't want something digging into your ribs. So I really like the wider band right here for the rib cage, which is really comfortable. It doesn't roll on both. Again, this is the light nude color and this is the warm nude color. And it's a very stretchy waistband. It's so comfortable, and you can already see that the fabric is just buttery soft. So really enjoying the color combos over here, and if they hold up well, then I may get more colors. Who knows? But with this brand, I feel like you can just wash these so easily, and they dry overnight, so you can just continue to wear the underwear and it won't smell. It's anti-odor, antibacterial, and so it's really resilient fabric that we're looking at here. Very excited to try this new brand. I get warm very easily. I've talked about this many times in the channel. And I just run warm, and I'm hot all the time. I sweat a lot, and I usually never feel cold. So I really needed things that wick moisture. I've talked about the brand Unbound. It's merino wool clothing, specifically that it's thin enough to wear during even the summer, and you won't feel hot. So it's great to introduce merino wool as an amazing sweat-wicking fabric to your travel wardrobe. And so I've been traveling with a lot of merino wool. This is merino wool t-shirts that are merino wool. I can wear them in the wintertime and I can wear them in the summer, and they're thermoregulating. But something I have not found yet that I'm excited to try is finally merino wool undergarments. So I definitely have wool socks. I have a lot of those, but I wanted to find undergarments, especially for my big travel days, which sometimes are hours upon hours of travel. And I feel like I just want to feel fresh throughout the day. I don't want to feel like I'm sitting in sweat. And so the brand, Branwyn, came to me on different social media channels. And I was very excited to see all their different products. So let's take a look, shall we? This is some of their undergarments. I got two, size medium, but this is kind of in the, what do they call this? Mid-nude? Let's check. Oh, this is the warm nude and this is the light nude color. So I got two, and it's a moisture wicking. I mean, it's naturally breathable, a gynecologist approved. They're really great because they're just temperature regulating fabrics. They're very, very soft as well. I'm straying a little bit away from cotton just because cotton absorbs too much sweat, and I'm going towards merino wool. So this is the warm nude color and this is the light nude color. And I'm going to be trying them out during travel. They dry very easily, and you can wash them very easily too. And along with these two colors, I also got two bras, and these are unlined. Let's see, it's called the Essential Bralette. So they are completely unlined, and they have a really nice comfort waistband right here that's a little bit on the thicker side so it doesn't roll up at all. And this is what the back looks like. So there's no clasps, which are very uncomfortable when you're on a long flight. And the adjusters are very small, so they're not digging into your shoulders or digging into your back. So I got two colors to wear that match the two colors for underwear as well. So I'm excited to try these on the long travel days and throughout my travels to see how they hold up. And if they hold up pretty well, I might buy more, but I'm excited to try new products that can possibly just work themselves into my travel capsule wardrobe and also just perform very well. And because these are considered performance innerwear, I am excited to see how they test. I think I'm a big advocate about breathable fabrics that are thermoregulating as well. So let's put them to the test, and I will definitely report back my findings in another video, but very excited to do some packing videos and kind of feature them as well. So if you want to check out some travel underwear, Branwyn might be the winner here. So far, so good. Talk to you soon and see you next time. Bye, explorers.